You know how sometimes you get this big idea for an animated video, but then immediately think, wait, too complicated. Yeah, I've been there too. But what if I told you that making stunning animations is not only totally doable, but you can actually do it right inside Canva? Yep, that's right, Canva. Stick around because we're about to spill some tips on how to create eye-catching animated videos that'll have your audience saying, "Whoa!" Today, we're going step by step through the process of making your very own animated video in Canva. We're going to make a fun, animated, short sports-themed video for kids. Once we're inside, choose the YouTube video option up here. Click on it. You've got your blank canvas to start with. At the bottom, you'll see the pages, and you can add more by clicking this plus button right here. I'll be using my paid Canva account to create the videos today, and many of the tips I'm sharing will be using the paid features. So if you're using the free plan, you might not be able to recreate all these effects. That said, remember that you can use these same basic tips for any type of video you might want to make. First stop, backgrounds. Let's head over to Elements and type in Park, because we need an outdoor setting. I like this one. Since this image doesn't fill the whole page exactly, we will duplicate it. Flip it horizontally, and then place them side by side like we want, and group them together. Now, let's add a few pieces of gear, because, you know, it's not a sports video without sports equipment. This looks good, so we'll use these. Nice. Okay, next up, we need someone exercising in this scene. How about some yoga students? Let's look for animated yoga images. I think I'll choose her. Let's resize her, pull her over here, and then add a few friends all doing yoga together. Look at them go. Let's add clouds. This one will do, and this one too. Let's animate them. Click on the cloud, click Animate at the top, then click on the bee. Click on the cloud, hold the mouse button down and drag the cloud the way you want it to move. Then choose Steady. Click Done. If you don't like the way it moves, try it again. Lastly, let's add a few trees for the clouds to move behind and in between for another cool effect. Let's switch things up for the next scene. We're going biking. First, we need a new background. I want to do something different this time. I choose 3 different backgrounds and put each one on a different page. Let's add a few trees and maybe a bench to sit on to dress them up. First, we need a biker. He is already pedaling, but we need to animate him too. Let's animate him. Click on the biker. Click Animate at the top, then click on the bee. Click on the biker, hold the mouse button down and drag him where you want him to go. Then choose Steady and click Done. To make it more interesting, let's add some trees, plants, benches, and more. Since I am working across 3 separate pages, I will add the biker and other elements to each page to make them more unique and interesting to watch. This will also help to create a more engaging video and help tie all the different details together, since the biker is moving through different neighborhoods on his ride. A very important detail to watch is how I keep changing the details of what images are in the front, middle, and back of this video, so that everything looks more realistic. This is a very important tip to remember to use in your own videos. Whenever you have more than one object, you'll see me testing quite often to see which object is in front of the other and changing their position in each scene as needed. Now, I'll start adding more details like plants, benches, and more. Pay close attention to how I position and reposition the objects to make them work in these scenes. I'll be working really fast, so you may have to slow the video down to catch all the details, but feel free to watch it over and over and practice along in your own Canva account until you get these skills right. They will make your videos so much more interesting if you can do this well. Now I'll add a card to each scene for even more action. I'll be using the same basic steps I used when adding the other details like plants and more. Then I will rearrange the position again to make the cars fit in correctly. Feel free to slow this video down to watch all the details in slow motion if you need to. Practice along inside Canva and see if you can recreate these steps. Now, use the same functions you used before inside this second scene. There are a lot of things going on, but pay attention to one thing at a time, and you should be fine. Take your time when working on projects like this. And if you don't want to have this many items in your video, that is absolutely fine, and your choice. We're in the last section of this sports theme about bicycles. Now use the same basic functions you used before inside the first and second scene to create this page. Hang in there. We're almost done with this section. Let's quickly add in the transitions between these pages. Get ready for a celebration dance.
If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
And there you have it, your very own animated video, done. All that's left is to download it as an MP4, and you're ready to show it off to the world. So now that you've got these handy tricks up your sleeve, it's time to dive in and create your own animation magic. If you can master positioning elements in Canva, you'll be well on your way to making great content. Whether it's a playful kid's story or something polished for your business, master these skills and you'll be ready to go.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends too. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.